Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress in cPanel. So if you are used to be familiar with cPanel and then you want to install your website using WordPress for the CMS, follow these steps. So after you log into your cPanel, you scroll down until you can find this soft Azulos. This one adds installer that default by cPanel. So you just find the scripts of WordPress. Find this one. You just click WordPress, and then here you can see the option of install overview, features, screenshots, demo, ratings, review, and import. You can check if you want it, and then what the point is, you just click this install now, and then you choose your domain. For example, I want to choose this domain, and then choose the prefix of your domain or the protocol. You can choose either with https only or https the triple w. And then also you can see the directory. You can leave it blank if that for root directory, and then you can choose the WordPress version. And then you also can create new super user, the admin user for your WordPress here, the username and then the password. And then you scroll down, and then that's it. After that, you can click install. It take maybe around 2 or 3 minutes to install the WordPress to your website. After that, your website will be up using the WordPress CMS. After that, you can edit, you can customize your WordPress like many people do, because WordPress is the most used in the world CMS in the world. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you visit subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.